Thanks for checking in with us here at Orlando Experience. In today's video, we're going to take a look at all the changes that are taking place across the Universal Orlando Resort area. We will kick off this update with a look at the Jurassic Coaster, as well as the new Raptor Encounter that has the new Baby Raptor experience. Then we'll head over to Universal Studios and look at the latest changes to the Bourne Stuntacular, take you over to City Walk and look at the rumored Universal Studios flagship store that is under construction in the old Fossil store location. And finally, we'll pop you over to the Endless Summer Resort that has been completed. Then in the second half of the video, we're going to take you around Universal and look at all the new safety processes that have been put into place, including the 4 new U-Rest areas, how character meet and greets are working, and even changes to 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First, let's take a look at the Jurassic Coaster that's under construction and will open in 2021. This multi-launch, multi-inversion coaster is going to be a thrill lover's dream and will make Islands of Adventure a not-to-be-missed experience for all the coaster fans out there. The park has already installed an amazing Heartline inversion right over the water in front of the Jurassic Discovery Center. Next up on our tour, we're going to take a look at the new Raptor Encounter and the new Baby Raptor experience.
Slow, nice and slow. Okay, now nice and slow. Up, back up. Good job, you guys. Now can you go side to side? Whoa. That's very nice. She's following you, huh? That's very good.
Now let's pop over to the Studios Park to take a look at the new Bourne Stuntacular, which was slated to open in 2020, but no word yet on whether or not that will hold true still. In City Walk, construction continues on the rumored new Universal Studios flagship store that will go in the place of several of the existing old stores that have been removed, including Fossil. On the other side of I-4, Universal's new value resort, Endless Summer, is now completed and ready for guests. So now we're going to take you around the resort and show you some of the new safety features that have been put into place. In each park, 2 new U-Rest areas have been put into place where you can go and safely remove your mask and take a break for a little while. Next, we're going to take a look at the changes that have been made to the character meet and greet. Finally, some attractions have had their water elements removed for the time being. This includes 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. So that wraps up this episode of Around the Universe. We hope you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thank you, and I hope you have a great day.